Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language teacher. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce adjectives and opposites both in English and German. So, let's start the lesson. Adjectives and opposites in German. Our first adjective is strong. We pronounce it stark in German. And the opposite, weak, we call it schwach. Then young, that is jung. Whenever we use J alphabet in a given word, y sound is produced. So we call it jung, that is young. And old, which is alt, hot, heiß, cold, kalt, rich, reich, poor, arm, expensive, teuer, cheap, billig, long, lang, short, cute. Alphabet Z is pronounced as S, so we pronounce it cute. Happy, glücklich. In this word we have U with umlaut, which is pronounced as U, very similar to English. So we pronounce it glücklich, that is happy. Then sad, traurig, beautiful, hübsch, ugly, hässlich, big, gross, small, klein, boring, langweilig, interesting, interessant, dry, trocken, wet, nass, fashionable, modisch, old-fashioned, altmodisch, dark, dunkel, bright, hell, fast, schnell, slow, langsam, here, there, da, lazy, faul, hardworking, fleißig. In this word, we have a special character which is known as S. So the pronunciation of this character is double S. We call it fleißig. That means hardworking. Old, alt, new, neu, clever, klug, stupid, dumm, thin, dünn, fat, dick, healthy, gesund, sick, krank, full, full. Again, V alphabet is pronounced as F. We call it full, which means full. Then empty, leer, correct, richtig, false, falsch, loud, laut, silent, still, dirty, schmutzig, clean, sauber. S alphabet is pronounced as Z. So, sauber, which means clean. High, hoch, low, niedrig, hard, hot, soft, weich, sweet, Zeus. Again, S alphabet is pronounced as Z, and we have U with umlaut, which is U in pronunciation. So, Zeus, which means sweet. Then sour, sauer, nice, nett, vicious, böse. In this word, we have O with umlaut, which is pronounced as EO. So, böse, vicious. Easy, einfach, difficult, schwer, good, gut, bad, schlecht. Late, spät, early, früh, far, weit, near, nah, free, frei, occupied, besetzt. That's the end of our session. In this lesson, we have covered almost more than 60 adjectives and opposites in German language. So, I would like you guys to use the same in sentences and let me know if you have any query or problem related to this topic. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.